They come to you when you're alone. Silently, they sit beside you. They look into your eyes, as if they understand everything. And in that moment it feels lighter. Cats aren't about noise. They're about silence. The kind of silence where you can hear your heartbeat. When you're sick, she just lies beside you. When you're hurting, she doesn't leave. When you cry, a soft paw touches your face. She can't speak, but you know exactly what she means. I'm here. It's going to be okay. This isn't just an animal. It's a soul in a soft little coat. It's a friend. It's home. It's your cat. If you've ever had a cat you loved, share this video. Let more people remember what true warmth feels like.